Oh yeah, she's back, baby. What's up, everybody? Good morning. It is 8 a.m. We are heading to Schaumburg Toyota for a car meet. There's supposed to be a good amount of Mark 4 Supras there, so I'm super excited. Beautiful day to own a Supra that's not only a Targa, but it's now boosted. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys the whole engine bay and what I did to the car and all that stuff when we come home from the car meet. But for now, we gotta go check out some other boosted Supras. Hey, good morning. Can I get a turkey sausage wake-up wrap with no cheese? The mango refresher with green tea. What? I was hungry, dude. This color is sick, dude. Oh, this is a wrap?
Yeah. This is a nice.
Dude, this wrap is nuts. Holy hell. Dude. What is this color called?
It's like navy dark blue.
Dude, it looks sick. What's up, bro?
Hey, what's
How
up?
are you, man?
Good, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we made it here to Schaumburg Toyota. I got my car parked up. You can see my license plate frame, tuna no crust. Clearly this guy has very similar taste, tuna no crust. This thing is sick. It is right-hand drive, manual. Really cool carbon fiber hood. Wow, this thing is really sick looking. Here's a black one. It's also a Targa on some CCWs. This one is a left-hand drive, also a manual. This black paint is like super clean. Supra plate. This thing is so nuts. Oof. I thought this was paint at first, but the owner just told me they just wrapped it. I saw this before at Sound Performance. It used to be gray, but now it's like this really cool like navy blue color. He's got like an insane wing, really cool LED aftermarket tail lights, Hot Boy wheels with Hot Boy lug nuts. I love that. He told me he still has an automatic, but it's a built stage 2 automatic transmission. He says he loves it. Recaro bucket seats. I think I need to get me a set of those. These things are really cool. Carbon mirrors. And dude, you gotta check out his engine bay. Everything in his engine bay is polished. Well, almost everything. This is like the really baller look. His intercooler, the turbo housings, the valve covers, the manifolds, everything is polished. Another one, this one is also NA Auto, silver, hard top. It is a right-hand drive. Ooh, TRD steering wheel. Castro Supra. Look at this thing. Wow. That's cool. That's also cool. What's up, man? That thing probably makes like at least 200 horsepower. The white one.
Oh, white one.
Yo, what is this? 200 horsepower? 300 horsepower?
I just dialed at 306 to the wheel.
Alright, so I'm faster than you. Also, how fitting is this? Here's my Supra, and then here is a white Lexus RCF. Dude, I miss my car so much. Oh man, it has a red interior like I used to have. Oh dude, this paint, nobody makes better white paint than like Lexus and Toyota. Oh dude, this is definitely on the list. An old NSX. What a beautiful car. Oh my god. Got some more nice cars tucked away in the back. Here is a M5 F90. Of course, I'm gonna check this thing out. This is an LCI. Dude, this guy's got carbon fiber grille, carbon fiber front lip. He has, it's lowered, carbon fiber fender trim, mirrors, roof, carbon fiber wheel arches, carbon fiber spoiler. He's even got a carbon fiber exhaust. I don't know if you can see that. Another Supra, this one's also red, Targa. This one looks very like period correct because of these wheels. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan, but I feel like it fits like the 90s vibe. Aftermarket bumper. I don't know if that's a real TRD hood, but the TRD hood is very sick. Oh my god, dude, I kind of tempted to get one. This thing is cool. It is left-hand drive, also a manual. Huge carbon fiber wing. Aftermarket taillight. Oh, here's another red one right here. This one is really sick. It has the oh yeah, gold badges, super turbo, Target top. This one is manual. I know the owner. I believe he said it makes like 900 horsepower. Dude, look at that engine bay. It's also built by Sound Performance. It's got their F1 manifold. Dude, that gold badge is really cool. The blue one, oh interesting, it's got a purple engine bay. I think the owner said this one also started as an NA auto. Blue, you never see blue Supras. Right hand drive, manual, TRD wing. Dude, these are growing on me. I don't know if I want to get one, but they're definitely growing on me. The what?
There's not another better wing than the TRD.
The TRD?
It's the best one,
dude,
in my opinion.
It looks sick. I love stock body Supras. I love stock body Supras, but like this wing is really growing on me, man.
Yeah, one thing I can't stand though is like no wing. I hate how they look without the wing.
The winglesses are weird, but this thing is, dude. Look at this little NB1. I think it's an NB1. Let me see the bumper. Yeah, NB1 Miata. Oh man, I wish I could have a green one. Green paint. Looks good on any car. Wow, this thing is super clean. My Miata is still not running. I cannot figure it out. Purple M3 comp. Oh my god. Dude, look at this paint. Oh no. Red buckets on purple paint. I don't know about that. Oh, little R34 action. I don't think this is a GTR. Well, I know it's not a GTR. I'm pretty sure it's a GTT, but still really cool to see an R34 in the wild. You're gonna see a lot more of these now in the States because the 25-year rule or whatever that is up. So a lot more R34s I think is really cool. Of course, when my Miata is down and I can't drive it, there's just NB Miatas everywhere. I miss my Miata. If you don't have a Miata, you won't understand the hype, but when you get one, dude, these things are so fun. Okay, we're back. That was a really fun show. I think I counted like almost 10 Mark IV Supras that came out. I didn't even know there were that many Mark IV Supras in the Chicagoland area, but I'm really glad I got to see all of them. I know what you guys are waiting for. You want to see my single turbo Supra, which is what this whole video is about, so let's show you what it looks like. So here she is. You guys recognize this car, obviously. You've seen it a million times on all my social media channels. This is my 1998 Mark IV Toyota Supra. It started its life as a NA auto, but now, oh. I don't know about you, but that doesn't look stock to me, brother. This is my NAT setup that was done by Sound Performance. You can see their logo right there and right there. First drive in my single turbo Supra. We're gonna take a little break from the Supra to focus on my wife's car because today's video has been sponsored by Wipe New. Black paint looks great, but is incredibly hard to maintain. With winter coming up, we definitely want to do everything we can to protect this black paint, and that is exactly why today we are gonna be using this. This is Wipe New ceramic liquid wax, and its job is not only to enhance the shininess in your paint, but to protect it as well with the layer of ceramic. It's as easy as rubbing it on, buffing it off, and as you can see, these results really speak for themselves. Don't ignore your car, man. Give it some love. Check out all the Wipe New products using the link in the description and use the code on screen to get 30% off your next order. Wait, you know what? Make sure. I trust them, but let's make sure this is locked. Give it a little bit of gas here.
What was it? Yeah.
Let's do it again a little bit. Go for it. Okay, now go to like 5 or 6. Now go to 6. To make this possible, we went with Sound Performance's Torque Monster kit. That's why the turbo is so low. That's kind of like the whole kit that they put on. Normally with Supras and 2JZs, you're used to seeing the turbo a little higher mounted, like right up here. So this is a little bit odd looking, but it works. Performance is the same. It's just looks wise, it's different. I don't remember the exact turbo. I know it's an HPT. I think it's a 5862. So it's a 58 millimeter turbo. And dude, that thing spools fast as hell. They said that HPTs are very fast spooling turbos, and they were right because that thing hits boost so quick. We got rid of that NA air intake, the one that like crosses over the entire engine and ends up here. We did a GTE intake. They custom fabbed up this adapter to make this fit onto the original components of the 2JZ GE, the non-turbo obviously. It's got a Treadstone manifold. I believe it's a Treadstone intercooler, fuel injector clinic, fuel injectors. Shout out to them for supplying that for us, and shout out to HPT for the turbo. I had them heat coat a lot of the stuff, so like back there you can see the dump tube is silver. The turbo itself is like this illusion blue or something. The valve covers are the same. They even matched the they even matched that SP logo right there to be blue to match everything else. Overall, it still looks like a stock car. This thing is so much faster than an NA Supra, but it still looks like this looks like it could have come factory on like a turbo Supra. That's what I like. A lot of people relocate the battery to the trunk. I'm okay with it here. Maybe later if we want to move it, we can move it. It's very easy. I'm so excited with the way this thing turned out. It is so quick. I mean, actually, when I tell you the horsepower this thing makes, you guys will be like, oh, that's not fast. And you'd be like, you paid that much money to have blah, blah, blah. Again, I did remind you guys in the last video, this is a VVTi motor, meaning it has the thinner rods, but without changing the internals, which we're restricted by, and then the stock automatic 4-speed transmission, which is we're also restricted by. Max we can make on this thing is like 400 horsepower without blowing it up, which is I think what we're at. We're at like 340, 350, I forgot the exact number, but we're under 400. And if you remember what this thing made stock when we put it on the dyno, it made 152 wheel horsepower. That is so freaking slow. So now to have 2.5 times the horsepower, this thing, I promise you, does not feel slow. It spools quick, it hits boost quick. She moves, boys. She moves. And like, what's the point of having every car be like insanely fast? My M5 competition is like 650 horsepower. This thing is like 340 horsepower. It's a fun like weekend, daily, whatever you want it to be. It does everything. Still got AC, traction control, ABS, all the electronics work. Thing sounds good. It feels great to drive. I'm so happy that I actually went through with it. You guys have been telling me for years like, oh, you gotta put a turbo in the Supra, you gotta put a turbo in the Supra, and I'm like, yeah, how good could it be? It's good. I think next we're gonna have to address the issue with this automatic stock transmission. It's not bad, it's fine. It's a 4-speed and it cannot handle the power that this thing is putting down. And like I said, it's only making 340 horsepower. This thing cannot handle that much power. It slips, it kicks, it doesn't feel great. When Sound Performance built my car, they told me that, hey, you know, there's 2 things really limiting the performance of your car. It's the weaker rods and it's the stock transmission. You're gonna have to change them both if you really want to go like 600, 700 horsepower, which what they say is like the sweet spot on a Supra. Larry, the owner of Sound Performance, he says 700 horsepower Supras are like the best things in the world. Anything above 700 horsepower, it's absolutely useless on the street. It spools at like 4,000 or 5,000 RPM. Power is unusable, it's uncomfortable. Doing a lot of research into transmissions because as of right now, I'm okay with the power. I don't care if we go like big power immediately. This transmission makes a big difference to me. I noticed that a few years ago, somebody realized that they can put a ZF 8HP transmission, which is like a very common transmission in older BMWs, dual clutch, like the V8 ones. Put them in these cars, you get a very modern, very durable 8-speed automatic transmission that can handle the power like that. It's very tempting. It's very, very tempting. I've seen a lot of people online, I think especially WiffBits in the UK, I believe. They've posted a lot of videos of them doing dyno pulls with their 8HP transmission. Oh my God. I think that's the move. The transmissions themselves are pretty cheap. They're like 800 bucks, 900 bucks. But then all the supporting mods you need for that gets very expensive very fast. You need like an adapter kit, you need a TCU, you need a new drive shaft, you need tuning. It's being really pricey. This was really pricey. It was worth it. Do I spend more money and do I upgrade to like a more modern transmission? I don't know. Are you guys familiar with like the ZF 8HP swaps? If you've swapped one into your like 2JZ, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on it. But yeah, man, that is my single turbo 2JZ GE NAT Mark IV Supra. Sorry I wasn't able to get you guys any like driving clips or flybys or anything. It's just me. I forgot my tripod at home. I will get that for you in another video. If you want to see it, let me know. Definitely have a lot more stuff planned for the Supra that I want to get done. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed. Like this video if you think I made the right choice by going single turbo in my Supra. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!